Hey guys, today I'm going to give my honest review of this ice roller. I absolutely love this. If you are looking to step up your skincare game, this is a great way to do it. So I will demonstrate this in just a second, but one of the things is I love how easy this is to use. You're simply going to put this together like so. And then you are going to open this top part, which is where you're going to fill up the water and simply put it in the freezer. And you're going to, once it's frozen, be able to use it. So I'll demonstrate that all in a second, and I'll show you exactly how I use it as well. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to go over features of this that I want you to know.
Real quick, I'm going to demonstrate how easy it is to fill this up and use it. What I love about this face roller is it's a great way to relieve under eye puffiness, brighten your complexion, and help shrink pores. It stimulates blood circulation and also reduces inflammation. So it's got tons of functions. It's easy to use. It's high quality. It's made of high quality silicone, which is very durable, and you can use it a lot. I love that it's small and light. It doesn't take up a lot of space either. This is also, as you saw, it is refillable, so it's a great way to be able to take care of your skin without spending a lot of money. This is an amazing gift, and I recommend.
Okay, you guys, I found the secret to depuffing and moisturizing your face, which has never been easier. 7 Minerals Aloe Vera Gel is the miracle we've needed all along. It serves as an excellent daily moisturizer for chapped skin, and it helps to reduce puffiness under your eyes. All you need to do for this at-home remedy is fill an ice cube tray or ice cube roller with the aloe gel and freeze overnight or until solid. Then apply to your skin, including your under eyes, and feel free to put it back in the freezer for repeat use.